Okay, this is a diagram I drew up that has all the labels on it. Hopefully it's in focus so you can see these labels. This is a potential energy diagram for a reaction. Labels are on these little cards here. Okay, made them up with the computer, printed them on heavier cardboard paper, and then cut them up. And get these here. Oops, this here. So I would have all these labels in this container. Have you shake it up good. The student would be standing nearby. You notice I have red dots all over the diagram where the labels belong. It's going to be up to the student to decide which labels go where. So I would take my phone out, I would get to my timer, set it to 0. It's a stopwatch app. And then I would, after shaking these up, put them upside down here. And I tell the student, okay, you ready? Student say yes, and I say, okay, on your mark, get set, go. And I would start my timer, and then the student would have to take the cards. He can pick them all up in his hand or take one or two. Exothermic direction, the directions over there, products over here. I'm not looking at this frontwards here. Reactants are over here. Reverse activation energy uncatalyzed. Potential energy is over here. The forward activation energy uncatalyzed. The endothermic direction. Endothermic direction is going to the right. Exothermic direction is going to the left. Then we have the activated complex catalyzed, which would be this one here, the low one. We have the heat of reaction, which is right there. A couple of tabs I missed here. Reaction coordinate is down the bottom here, also called time in some books. Forward activation energy catalyzed goes there. Reverse activation energy catalyzed goes here. And finally, the activated complex uncatalyzed is there. And that's the label diagram. And a student would say, stop. And I would stop the timer and record the time. The student, once I tell him the time, the student would have I write down a piece of scrap paper. The student would have the option to try one more time. If he's satisfied with his time, he keeps it. If he wants to try one more time, he can. And that's about it. It's pretty simple. Took me about 10 minutes to make the chart and the cards, so it doesn't take long.